In this question, they tell you the full equation of circle 1 and circle 2. And then the center are called G1 and G2. We have to prove the following. So you know that there are many things are involved. Then we should base on the equation to get two basic things, which is about the center, G1. Check carefully. This is 1x squared plus 1y squared. So this is already a standard format. Then we know that is negative d divided by 2. Center is equal to negative d divided by 2, negative e over 2. And also the radius, you already remember the formula, is equal to square root negative d over 2 bracket square plus negative e over 2 bracket square and then minus f. So we try our best to get the center and radius if we confirm it is standard form. So this is negative 4, while negative 4 divided by negative 2, we get positive 2 here. And the radius, maybe I call it R1, is equal to negative 4 square plus 2 square and then minus f is negative 5. Then we get square root 25, that means R1 is equal to 5. Similar reason, we're going to consider C2, the second circle. 2x squared plus 2y squared plus 8x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. A very important thing is this is not 1x squared, not 1y squared. So this is not standard format. It's not the standard format yet. If you need to use this formula, you have to ensure it is 1x squared and 1y squared. So we divide both sides by 2. Every term divided by 2. Then we transform it to the standard form. After that, we can use exactly the same method to get the center and the radius. Center is negative 2 and 1. Radius R2 is equal to negative 2 squared plus 1 squared and then minus negative 5 over 2. It is square root 15 over 2. We now have enough data, then we start considering those statements. First statement is G1, G2 and O collinear. Collinear, that means M, the slope of G1O is equal to the slope of G2O. Or any other combination. That means every 2 points, randomly any 2 points, their slope should be the same. That's the condition. So maybe we can consider the slope G1O. That means 2 over negative 4, negative 1 over 2. Also, we consider the slope G2O is equal to 1 divided by negative 2. It's negative 1 over 2. So they are collinear because their slopes are the same of any 2 points. And then the second thing is about their radius. Are they equal? It's because we change it to standard form, then the value is different. So D, E, F are not the same and we have different radius here. So that's why this is wrong. Finally, is O equal distance from G1 and G2. So we calculate the differences, the distance there. G1O is equal to negative 4 minus 0 square and then plus 2 minus O square. We get square root 20. G2O is equal to similar calculation, negative 2 minus 0 square plus 1 minus 0 square. We get square root 5. So that's why it's not the same. The answer is 1 only. Just simply don't forget to check is that 1x squared plus 1y squared. Otherwise, we don't have the same decision of D, E, F. That's why you can't apply a standard formula.